Hi there, welcome to Huson DIY, to day 2 of our Christmas coffee calendar adventure. Okay, so on day 2, so day 1 we looked at Honduras coffee. As you probably saw in that video, I did get number 2 out accidentally to start with. So number 2 from our advent calendar today is Ethiopia. So Ethiopia, from the region of Sidamo, from the farm of the Moredocofe. I'm probably saying that totally wrong, so apologies to anyone involved. It's got a high acidity, it's got black tea, bergamot and citrus tastes in there. So very different to what I would go for in a coffee, I have to say. So this could be one I perhaps don't like. So we won't do much talking on these now. Every day I'll just do a quick taste test. We'll get it ground up in the grinder, obviously. Give it pressed in the French press and give it a taste. So again, 66 grams in this. I'll put some more details and links to it in the description. I'm going to put this just below, maybe an inch below max. This is a litre French press. Below there, just so we get it strong enough, because I do like it quite strong. And we'll take it from there and we'll give it a taste. So I'll get grinding and get pressing. I'm not quite sure what I'm picking up from the smells, to be honest with you. It smells nice, quite floral, I'd say, if that's a thing. If that can be a thing in coffee, but it smells good, doesn't smell bad. So we'll pour it in here, get it pressed. I've got a kettle just pre-boiled, so we'll do it straight away. Okay, so we'll leave that now agitating. That's the wrong way, I need to look that word up. Mixing with the ground coffee beans, getting ready to brewing, basically, getting ready to press. So we'll leave it about 4 minutes now, and then we'll give it a press and give it a taste. Okay, we're 4 minutes in now. We're going to press it down in this coffee press. I'll put some links in the description to the grinder and the coffee press. I've used it a few times now since the review video I did, and they've been great, to be honest with you. This really does keep the coffee warm for quite a long time, hours, I would say. So you get a full kind of morning out of full pot of coffee, which is exactly what I wanted it for. But anyway, let's talk in. I will open that up and I will press down on this. Okay, this will be boiling hot, so we'll pour a cup now, again in the cool glass cups. And that will be too hot to drink, so I'll give that a couple of minutes. But I'm seeing it's a little bit darker than the Honduras one from last night. It's got like kind of almost like a red hint to it. But yeah, it looks like coffee, which is good. So yeah, we'll give it a couple of minutes and we'll give it a taste and see what it's like. Okay, let's go for it. It's cooled down now a few minutes, should be good to drink. So just a reminder, this is Ethiopia, medium roast. I think I ground the beans too much. There's a little bit of a residue in this one. So I think that's on me. I've ground it a little bit too long. So let's give this a go and see what it's like. Okay, citrus, eh? I think I'm getting citrus, yeah. It says a classic brew with floral notes of black tea, bergamot and a citric punch. I think I'm getting like a citrus element to that. Kind of, not straight away, but just after, kind of on the back of your mouth. Yeah, definitely a citrus taste. Nice. Different though. Very different coffee, that, as in quite a unique taste to it. Definitely different to the Honduras one yesterday. That was kind of more smoother, more chocolatey. This one's got, as it does say, it's got a citric punch, and it does. Which I guess comes with that high acidity as well. Kind of that's that punch you're getting as well. But yeah, really nice. Comes from the, as I said previously, the Moredocofe co-op or farm. So yeah, really nice. So hopefully 2 out of 2. I like it. Again, I don't think I would buy it as kind of an everyday, but it's nice, and that's 2 out of 2 that have been nice so far. And again, it's probably a coffee I would never ever have tried before, because I wouldn't want to buy a full bag of it. But just getting that 66 gram bag is kind of perfect. It just allows you to try different coffees, different tastes that you wouldn't try before from different regions, countries, etc. So far, so good. Okay, so all done now for day 2 of the Coffee Lover Advent Calendar from the Brew Company. So far so good, I'm liking this. It's a really great idea, doing something a little bit different for an Advent Calendar. Gives you total different, obviously, choices of coffee, opportunities to try coffees you might not try before, which is exactly what I was looking for. So I can kind of fine tune which type of coffees I like, and then order the bigger bags from the Brew Company. And as I said in video 1, which I will link to again in this video, but there are links in the description to get discounts from the Brew Company. So if you head into the description, use those links, you will get discounts on the Brew Company website to buy products yourself. So yeah, day 2, all done. We've travelled to Ethiopia. Tomorrow we're going to Guatemala. So we'll look forward to December the 3rd for the 3rd day, 3rd coffee. So yeah, hopefully you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please do give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If not for any reason, give it a thumbs down, give it a dislike. Hit that subscribe button if you want to follow the coffee journey along with Huson DIY. See you on the next one.